The Microsoft's OneNote is an extension of your physical classroom. Countless researches have been done with educators and students alike on how the OneNote can make things easier for them. Things like speed, simplicity, and accessibility have been mentioned. The Microsoft OneNote brings all of this together. It also has fun and fantastic features for the learners, such as the ink to math, the glitter pen, and even stickers that makes teaching and learning a lot of fun for the learners. It helps you as an educator to focus on the learning itself rather than the medium of learning. That is why we have put together the OneNote Teacher Academy, holding on Saturday the 27th of November 2021, where you will learn the basics of OneNote for teachers, for students, and even school administrators. To be a part of this, visit bit.ly/ms OneNote_TA with an investment of just $10, which is just about 5,000 Naira. Now this covers your certificates from the Microsoft Education Center and from Taysey Consult. It also covers your training resources such as the recorded videos and training slides. However, you can take advantage of the early bird offer and get access to all of these resources for a token of $7 only, which is just about 3,500 Naira. However, this offer lasts only till the 24th of November 2021. So hurry while it lasts. See you in class.